Hello sir, hello friend, hello ma'am. I am a Vastu and Feng Shui consultant and a back practitioner. I learned Feng Shui from two masters, Master Chan Kwanwa and Master Joseph Yu. Master Joseph Yu is a practical trainer. He always says we have a chart like a horoscope in Feng Shui. There are two stars, wealth star and health star. He always says wealth comes quickly, but health wise sickness goes slowly. So I wish Master meets Dr. Atul sir and Rupa madam, and he will definitely change his saying, and he will start introducing flowers in his teaching, what I am sure about. So I am definitely going to forward a mail regarding all this thing, and they are doing literally divine work. So I wish them all the best for their further research. Thank you.